We know what happened in Boston could happen anywhere, and that's why local hospitals tell us they are prepared. News Channel 5's Kristen Volk spoke to doctors at Metrohealth Medical Center today. And Kristen, how are they ready to handle a bombing in Cleveland?
They stressed to me, Danita, that they do regular drills and exercises and really focus on a mass trauma where an explosion is involved. They say they're trained to handle the multitude of injuries that come with that sort of situation, such as burns, deep cuts, broken bones, and brain trauma. At the sound of the blast, shrapnel rained down like confetti at the finish line. Extreme heat engulfed this area, and more than 170 people here sustained serious, even horrific injuries.
This is what we've discussed. This is what we've drilled for.
Dr. Thomas Collins of the Metrohealth Medical Center says he and his team are ready if something like this were to happen here.
We have an immediate response, which rallies forces into the emergency department to prepare for the influx of patients.
Not only are they ready to ramp up the number of doctors in the ER at a moment's notice, they're also ready to coordinate with other hospitals.
When you have a mass casualty on the scale of what happened in Boston yesterday, it's something that you can't rely on just one hospital to manage.
If a mass trauma happened, Collins says the most serious patients would come here to Metrohealth, a level 1 trauma center. Others would go to hospitals throughout the city.
The hospitals are ready, and we have a big surge capacity. We can take mass casualties.
Beth Gatlin is the Director of Emergency Preparedness for the Center for Health Affairs. She coordinates drills for hospitals and safety workers throughout Northeast Ohio. She's urging the Cleveland community to be just as prepared as the emergency response teams.
Someday, sometime, things happen, and it will happen. And so are you doing what you need to do to make sure that you're helping your neighbor, you're watching your family, you're looking out for, other people.
Gatlin also told me that for next month's Cleveland Marathon, hospital emergency rooms will be ramping up their staff, and the city's Emergency Operations Center will be monitoring the race. On your side, I'm Kristen Volk, News Channel 5.